Hi guys, good morning. Assalamualaikum. On this video, I want to show you how to join a text from several cells, or inside a cell, or string inside a cell. We can join them into one sentences in one cell. Okay, let's get it on. Over here, I have three cell. There is already has a text. Okay, these three cells, I want to join them with a function. There is three method to use. There is three method to join a text in Excel. First, you can use the AND symbol, and then the second one we can use concatenate function, and the last one is concat function. Okay. First, I want to show you the simple one. Just put equal and then click the A1 cell, and then just type in the AND symbol, click another cell, click again, input again another AND symbol, and then click the last cell and then hit the enter. As you can see, this one already joined the text between those three cells, already joined into one cell, but the problem is there is no space. So we can put space on this cell like this, enter, and then this one also enter. We can do like that, or we can do on the function like this, and quotes, space, quotes, and symbol, and put another one over here. Okay, quotes, space, quotes, and just hit the enter. Easy, right? And the other one is concatenate. This one same method with the previous one. Just type the concatenate. Okay, and the text one, we click the A1 cell, comma, the space. Don't forget to put space and inside the quote symbol, and then the B1, click, comma, quotes again, space and quotes again, and then C1, close the bracket, hit enter. The same result at with the first one. And the last one is very easy. It's the most easiest, but you have to put space on your cell, because it just it's only drag all those cells into one array. For example, concat just input the function, and you just drag the A1 to the C1. But the problem is there is no space. So as I told you before, on the first we can put space after this cell and space after this cell. Okay, very easy, right? Okay, thank you for watching. I hope this is useful for you. If you like my videos, you can like and subscribe my channel. If you have any question, just put on the comment. If you have a request for the Excel tips, just put on the comment. Later I will make the video for you. Okay, thank you guys.